What's up, y'all? Domino here. All right. Like to welcome y'all to my vlog, the news or whatever. You know what? I just watched WPLG Local 10 on here on YouTube, and I read about a 16-year-old with multiple guns shoot two younger students waiting for the school bus. Two 12-year-olds. Because the two refused to give up their cell phones. Jesus Christ, why do something like that? You know, I don't understand these youngsters. I was a youngster. I almost acted like I was grown and stuff like that. But you know what? These these teenagers here, some of them, not all, think they hip. They ain't nothing, you know. But you know what? For my opinion is this: if these kids want to act like they grown, I guarantee you, some judges out here they're gonna treat them like they grown, charge charge them teens as adults, you know. So, like I say, if they want to do some adult things offensively, extremely and offensively, and commit crimes like that, they should face adult consequences. One commenter said that if they want to act like they grown, a treat they should be charged as an adult. So that's what happened though. Okay, and you know what, y'all? I remember watching an episode of Beyond Scare Straight. Do y'all remember that a reality show that came on A&E? Do y'all remember that? Oh yeah, I remember that real good. On A&E. When them kids act like they was grown and all that, they wanted a reality check and stuff like that. So sometimes Beyond Scare Straight don't help these juvenile delinquents. You know, I mean, for the 16-year-old to just try to rob somebody with multiple guns and stuff like that. Lord have mercy. You know what, y'all? Police department, the president, anybody, any politician. I'm not into no politics. I'm just saying, gotta monitor these social media websites. Because anybody that posts guns on the social media platform or whatever could be considered dangerous. Who knows? Because I don't post nothing like that on my Facebook or Instagram or YouTube or whatever. You know, I haven't been on Twitter in a long time, so I don't post nothing like that on Twitter at all. Okay, so I must say, y'all. I mean, that is a horrible tragedy. You know what I'm saying? I can't imagine my son or daughter waiting on the school bus and all of a sudden somebody come up and just shoot them just because they want their property and stuff like that. This kind of remind me of that episode of Family Matters, with these two girls trying to rob somebody because they want their sweater, their shoes, their phone, or whatever. Give it up and all that. Yeah, some kind of thugs like that. Okay. So my word is this: it doesn't matter what color somebody is, black, white, Asian, whatever. Okay. So I'm not one sided on people that commit crimes. I'm not one sided. Okay. It could be anybody that commit crimes. Like a black person, white person, male or female. It doesn't matter. Okay. Rape a man, rape a woman, and all that. They even have pedophiles of females. Not just pedophiles are men, pedophiles are females. So so I must say, about to read the description right here. Two 12-year-olds were shot Thursday morning while waiting for their school bus in Northwest Miami. D, I don't know how to pronounce this. Dade, Dade. Okay, authorities confirmed. They say, somewhere in Miami. Lord have mercy. I'm like, Jesus Christ. I mean, I remember waiting on my school bus, sometimes with my mama, sometimes by myself. Okay? I was 11 years old waiting on the school bus by myself. Thank God my mama trusted me to wait for the school bus by myself at that age. Thank God none of that happened to me and some of the other students. Okay? And you know what, y'all? I'm talking to everybody in every city, okay? Police department, listen. Y'all listen to me real good. I want every police officer on every corner when these kids is waiting for these school buses, okay? Cause I don't want nothing to happen to these kids out here. I'm like, this is serious, y'all. This is so serious. So much stuff be going on out here. Because when I was coming up, when I was a kid, 10, 11, 12, I also heard uh, uh, about school shootings. When I was coming up. And when I was 13, sometime in '98, one person committed suicide in Marrero Middle School long time ago, where in 1998. You know, I'm like, these schools supposed to be educational, not dangerous. Mm-hmm. Some kids be bringing weapons in schools and stuff like that. Like guns, knives, and dope and all that. So I kind of wonder, do all these schools have metal detectors? I need to know. Okay, I want to ask one more time. Do these schools have metal detectors? That's all I want to know. Okay, when I was coming up, all right, I was 14 going on 15. My ninth grade year in school, I was in the ninth grade, and then they started having metal detectors in schools. Okay, yep, they started having metal detectors in schools. Mm-hmm. Every student have to pass through a metal detector. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, it attracts weapons. Okay, all kind of steel and all that. I mean, that's not right, y'all. That is definitely not right. You hear me? Okay. I mean, I don't know why all this is going on. I mean, two 12-year-olds is in a hospital and probably in critical condition. You know, I hope and pray that they heal. You know what I'm saying? I'm like, ain't no child need to go through all that. Ain't no need for that. You know. All right, so I want y'all viewers to do me a favor and pray for these Florida teens that been shot, that's in the hospital recovering. You know what I'm saying? Okay, I'm like, this is real serious. One more time, I want to say, if them if them teens want to act like they grown, treat them like they're adults. What I mean by treat them like adults, give them adult consequences. One boy want to act like he a man. He want to act like a man, will be treated like a man. And a teenage girl, you want to act like a woman, will treat you like you're a grown woman. Okay, that's what the judge and the police will probably do. You understand? You want to act like you're grown, they'll treat you like you're grown. Have you to face adult consequences like being charged as an adult. Okay, so let me tell y'all something. Stop acting like you're grown, knowing that you're not grown. You know what I'm saying? So if you don't know air from a bullfrog, don't act like it. Okay? I'm like, come on now. You're supposed to be going to school to get your education. You know, that the hell what you're supposed to be doing. You know. And one more thing I want to tell y'all. My mama made sure I went to school, even though she had to put me on the school bus and stuff like that. You know, when I started catching the public service bus, RTA, I still call it the public service bus after all these years. So my mom trusted me to go on the bus by myself. And my mama made sure I went to school. Because there's some people around town knew my mama and seen my mom before. Mostly them bus drivers knew my mama. Well, not know her personally. Them bus drivers knew who my mama was. My mama get on their bus, and then that bus driver tell my mama what I did. I'm grounded. You know, my mama take away everything, my games, my privileges, and guess what? My mama used to make me do homework, even though I didn't have homework. One time, my mama asked my teacher to give me homework, and I was the only student in his class that got homework. The other students didn't. Just me. That was my punishment, even though I didn't do nothing out of ordinary. Because one time when I told my mom I didn't have homework, my mama told me to find some homework. Yep. So anyway, y'all, for the parents out there that have their children in the hospital being treated, I wanna say I'll be praying for y'all here. Okay, my heart goes out to you people. Okay, all right. So that's all I'm gonna say right now. Rest in peace to my mama, though. So by me doing this news article or whatever. Okay. All right. So that's all I'm gonna say for right now, though. All right. So I hope y'all be all right, and do me a favor, parents. Listen to me real good, y'all. Okay, listen to me. Make sure I beg y'all. Make sure y'all wait for the school bus with y'all kids. You know what I'm saying? Your son or your daughter. I don't care how old they are. Okay, 13, 14, or whatever. Wait for the school bus with y'all kids, and make sure they get on the school bus safely. Okay, please. Okay, because I'm very sick and tired of hearing about children getting injured, hurt, and all that. I know it's a part of life and stuff like that. I'm just I'm just tired of hearing about that. Okay, that devil is hella busy. Yes, Satan is hella busy. You know. All right, so that's all I got to say. All right, thank y'all for watching. All right.